Reinforcing a door can change its look, but with careful choices you can maintain the original appearance and avoid cosmetic work. When reinforcing a door, start by assessing the existing door material and hardware locations so you choose reinforcement that aligns with current cutouts and avoids new chiseling. Use strike plates and long screws that reach the framing studs while selecting finishes that match the door hardware to minimize visual contrast. Consider internal options like heavy-duty door wraps or jamb reinforcement kits that install behind the trim so no exterior changes show. If you need to add a metal plate, choose one with a low profile or a decorative design that complements the door instead of clashing with it. For glass or panel doors, use reinforced glass or a security film that retains transparency and appearance while improving strength. Explain to installers exactly where to place anchors to avoid visible patching. Finally, plan paint or finish touch-ups after installation with matching paint or stain applied only to disturbed areas to blend repairs without refinishing the whole door. Common mistakes include choosing reinforcement that requires large new cutouts which then need visible patching, so pick hardware compatible with existing holes or use adapters that fit without extra chiseling. Another issue is selecting a finish that contrasts sharply with the door, which draws attention to the upgrade, so either match the finish or use a decorative plate that looks intentional. A third concern is exposing raw metal or screws around the lock area, which looks unfinished. Cover exposed metal with aesthetic escutcheons or trim plates and use countersunk screws with color-matched caps to keep the visual clean. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who offer door reinforcement and aesthetic upgrade services and helps contractors list the specific skills and projects they do, so homeowners see relevant options. We also host a discussion community where members and professionals share photos, tips, and real-world experiences to help people choose reinforcement methods that preserve their door appearance.